Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer PS5 clips to your phone if you have Android or your iPhone. And this is actually really simple to do. So just on the home screen here, we want to go all the way to the right and go to the game library and go to the media gallery and open this up. So you can also access this by this menu if you hold down the share button and then go to media gallery right here. And we can find our video clips now and just press options on the video clip. And if we do this, we can go to upload to the PlayStation app. So you can download something called the PlayStation app on our phone, and this will allow us to view the video clips from our device. So you can see it's uploading indicated by the little symbol in the upper right. And you can also auto upload all your screenshots and your video clips to this app as well. So we can go to settings right here and scroll on down to captures and broadcast. And then under captures, we can go to the right and we can go to where it says auto upload and turn this on. Automatically upload your manually created screenshots and video clips to the PlayStation app when your PS5 is connected to the internet. So when you record something now, so if I record a video, it will save and then automatically upload to the cloud. And you can see there's a little symbol like a phone and tablet in the upper right side of the screen of this screenshot. That's an indication that it's uploaded to the application. And I should be able to view it on there. So download the PlayStation app on your phone, go over to the game library, switch from games to captures, and you should be able to find everything under there, and you should be able to download it. Just sign in with your email address and password associated with your PlayStation 5 account, and everything will be saved in one spot. You can download it, and you can share it to Instagram or other social media. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.